These were my ingredients: tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, and onion, garlic, fish, any kind of fish we can do, a cheese, and of course the pasta. Okay. Now we will gonna cook, saute the ingredients. We put some oil, and then the garlic. Okay. Yeah. Make sure that the garlic will not get brown, okay? Just a little brownish. And the onion. And we will put the tomato. I chopped it into tiny pieces. Okay. And then the fish. This one is the fish that I shredded into tiny pieces also. I put 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, and black pepper, and then water, 1 cup of water, then some seasoning, a little bit. Here I have some cornstarch to make it sticky. Now I'll put some tomato sauce to make it more active. Yeah, you can also use ketchup if you want, but I want is tomato to make it colorful. Okay, there, and then here I add sugar for the sweetness. You can also, if you don't like some sweetness, you cannot add, but for me it's really, it's ready. Okay, now this is the finished product of my cooking. Fish spaghetti. Very ideal during rainy days to cook, and delicious. There, the tomatoes you can see. Come on guys, begin.
I thought my teeth were white until I saw stains up close.
Oral-B Cross Action, now infused.